My mom asked me to make her a tote a little while ago, and I found a free PDF pattern for a tote that you can make in 5 different sizes, extra small to extra large. You can grab this pattern at sweetredpoppy.com, and here are the dimensions of each size. My first choice was to make the extra large, but it looked like it might be too big, so I chose to make the medium instead. Yeah, I forgot she'd asked for this tote to carry her things in for church. 20 by 20 would have been ideal. Oh well, there's always plenty of time to make another one. I am tracing the pattern pieces and transferring all markings. I cut out the pattern pieces, cut them out of fabric, and interface the main fabrics and lining as required. Did I mention this is the first time I've sewn a lining into anything? Yeah, give me a thumbs up for learning a new skill. I realized I am cutting my fabric wrong sides facing instead of right sides facing, but at this point, it was too late to turn back now. I am officially making sewing dyslexia a real thing. You will see more as this video progresses. As you can see here, I sewed the pockets incorrectly with wrong sides together. Then I sewed it with the wrong side and right side facing, and then finally sewed it right sides together as the directions instructed. A simple yet tedious task. Finally, the pocket is sewn onto the lining of the bag. I basted the straps into place. Then I sewed the lining and main fabrics together. I love how the pattern left the bottom corners off, as this will be trimmed away anyway to help form the shape of the bag. Once sewn together, I turn it inside out, top stitch all the way around. Give it a good press and we're all done.